Hi guys, this is a tutorial to teach you how to log into Zinc Reading Labs for the first time. So you are going to go in through Clever because that is the only way this is going to work. So when you're on your Clever page, you're going to log in with Google. And then you're going to scroll down, and under these instant login applications, you're going to go to Springboard. Zinc is part of Springboard, so you need to go in through the Springboard button. So you will see your Springboard dashboard here, and then down at the bottom, you'll see that there is the Zinc Reading Labs. It has a little leaf icon. Click on that, and it will take you to your Zinc dashboard. Now this is the teacher one, so I am going to switch to impersonating a student to show you what to do next. Okay, so when you sign in as a student, you will see this dashboard, which has things listed. Right now, all we are doing is taking a placement test. So that will be listed right here. It will say that it was assigned by me and the date that it was assigned. So today you are going to click to take the placement test and then continue and take that diagnostic. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to ask you to do some reading and answer some questions to go along with that reading. And then when you finish one page, you continue to the next. When you are finished, it will allow you to submit it, and then I will have information on your reading level. Please remember to make your best effort at this. We are going to be using Zinc throughout the year, and it automatically assigns you readings based on how you perform on this diagnostic. So do your best so that it will give you the best readings as we move forward.